Ever pondered about the silent heroes who fight for justice in the face of bureaucracy? The ones who stand as a beacon of hope in their miry world of paperwork, red tape and complex regulations? Today, we delve into the crucial role of an unsung hero, the Ombudsman. Imagine a world where a single individual stands between the might of an institution and the rights of an ordinary citizen. Picture a man named John, a retiree who has been tirelessly trying to claim his pension benefits. He's sent letters, made countless calls, and even visited the office in person, all to no avail. The institution, a mammoth of red tape, is unyielding. Enter the Ombudsman, a figure of hope and justice. The Ombudsman, independent and impartial, steps into John's shoes. They carefully review his case, scrutinizing every detail. They pore over the policies of the institution and the rights of John as a citizen. They bring to the table their expertise and knowledge, leaving no stone unturned. Their investigation is thorough, their report comprehensive. John's case is not just a file to be closed. It's a life hanging in the balance, a man's rightful claim. The Ombudsman ensures that John's voice is heard, that his concerns are addressed. They mediate between John and the institution, fostering dialogue and facilitating understanding. The Ombudsman doesn't just seek resolution, they strive for fairness. In John's case, the Ombudsman's intervention leads to a resolution. The institution accepts its oversight, John receives his pension benefits, and justice prevails. The silent hero recedes into the background, ready to fight another day. This tale illustrates the power and importance of an ombudsman. They are the bridge between the individual and the institution, the voice for the voiceless, the advocate for fairness. Their role is crucial in a world often bogged down by bureaucracy and red tape. An ombudsman may wear many hats. They may be known as a public advocate, a national defender, an inspector general, or a citizen advocate. Regardless of the title, their purpose remains the same: to ensure that every citizen is treated fairly, that every complaint is heard, and every dispute is resolved. In summary, an ombudsman is a beacon of hope in a world of complex regulations. They are the champions of justice, the advocates of fairness, and the voice of the unheard. They ensure that every individual has the right to be heard, to be treated fairly, and to seek justice. They are the silent heroes in the fight against bureaucracy, standing up for the rights of every citizen. So, the next time you find yourself in a bind, remember, there's an ombudsman ready to step into your shoes and fight for your rights.